Hey guys, I'm Justin, the founder and CEO of Merchant, and in today's video, we are going to jump into how you can use images to get your Google business profile ranking higher in local search results across Google Search and Google Maps, whether you're on a computer searching or on a cell phone. And we're going to use a very competitive keyword in this example today, which is roofer Los Angeles. And this same thing applies for any type of business, but we're just going to go with a very hard one to show the importance of this. And if you're not familiar with trying to get roofing clients, it's very difficult and expensive. If you were to try to pay for this keyword for Google Ads, you're probably paying a couple $100s per click to your website. And then you may or may not even close them. And so if you can get your Google business profile to rank higher for the keyword roofer in your city, you're going to make a lot more money from your customers. So let's have a look at the top performing profiles. And there's something that they all have in common. If I click here into the photo section of this profile, you're going to see that they have a lot of images added to their Google business profile. And if we look at the next one down, again, these guys have added a lot of images to their Google business profile. Some of them, they even put this watermark over it. So they're clearly putting time and effort into uploading images here. If we click on the next one down, let's have a look. Again, they're uploading images of what they do to their Google business profile. And if you were looking at this from a mobile device, then there would be an option that showed up here that says recent, which just shows that Google pays attention to how recently you are uploading images to your Google profile. They don't want you to just dump a bunch and then forget about it for a year or two or even a couple months and then come back and dump more. They want consistent images being uploaded because Google always wants the most relevant, recent information to show to their customers. And so what I want to show you is one, how you can go and add images to your profile the old school way. And then I'm going to show you a fully automated way that makes it much, much easier for you. And will give you a better ranking result. So to start, to go and add images to your Google profile, what you'll want to do on your phone or your computer is go and find your business profile in Google Search. And as long as you're logged into the management account, you're going to see these options show up on the left side of the screen. And you'll see that says add photos. And this is where you'll go to add the photos or the videos that you took of your business. And this is how it goes and gets uploaded to your Google profile. But if you want these to perform the best, you'll need to add image meta descriptions that use your target keywords. In it, you'll need a file name that includes your keywords in it that kind of describes what the photo is about. And you're also going to first need to add geotags to that image if you didn't automatically geotag it when you took it with your camera or your cell phone or however you got the image. And so there's some steps that you need to do first to really optimize these images. And before I show you the way to automate this and make it a lot easier and effective, if you found this helpful so far, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, leave us a comment. Anything you can do to let us know that you're watching would be awesome. And then, so now I'm going to show you the way that you can automate this. So we built a platform called Paige. It's used by thousands of businesses. And one of the features that this has is an image optimization and drip feature. So if we go over to the automation tab, we can see that it can automate things like uploading images to Google. It can automate publishing posts, replying to reviews, getting reviews, asking and replying to questions, and a lot more. But let's just start off with the images. So what I'm going to do is I have a folder of images that I want to add to this platform, and I'm just going to go and drag them in. And what this tool is now doing, and remember, I didn't do any optimization of these images. I just took them, in theory from a phone, but these are graphics that I'm using. So you would just upload them from your phone. And now if we click on one, we can see that this platform Paige did a lot of optimization for these images. So it renamed the file, something that uses our keyword. So marketing agency, Santa Monica, Los Angeles, reputation management, Google business profile, right? So it optimized the file name for us. It also geotagged this image using geocoordinates for the area that we're in so that it shows Google this is a local image. And the last thing that it did was wrote a meta description that is discussing what this image is about in context of our keywords. And so it really optimizes this image. And the cool thing that happens now is that Paige will drip these images onto the profile every couple days. And so there's a setting where this platform can automatically determine the best frequency to add a new image. So instead of adding them all today, it's going to drip one every couple days. Or if you have a lot of images for your business, what you can do is say, you know what, let's drip one every single day. And then Paige can also alert you when you're out of images so that you know that it's time to go and add more. And so if you're trying to find a way to automate and optimize the images on your Google business profile so that it can show up higher in search results, then what you're going to want to do is head over to merchant.com. And you can do a free GMB audit first if you want, or you can just click solutions and then learn more about Paige. And Paige is a fully automated platform that'll help you with this and so much more, and comes with a 3-day $1 trial. So again, if you found this video to be helpful, then please hit the subscribe button, like the video, send us a comment, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks so much and have a good day.